A very good morning, children. In the last part, we studied that carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food, proteins are body building food, vitamins and minerals are protective food. Children, diet is the food we generally eat. A diet with a right proportion of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, roughage, and water is called a balanced diet. Taking of balanced diet is very important. Otherwise, you may suffer from deficiency diseases. Children, so deficiency diseases are those diseases which are caused due to lack of one or more nutrients in our diet. Let me tell you about some of the deficiency diseases. When we eat food which lacks proteins for a long time, then one can suffer from kwashiorkor. Growth gets stunted, face becomes swollen, hair get discolored. It also causes skin diseases and diarrhea. A high protein diet is recommended to cure kwashiorkor. If the food lacks both proteins and carbohydrates, then one suffers from marasmus. Growth is affected. Marasmus can be cured by a high protein and high carbohydrate diet. Many deficiency diseases are caused due to the lack of vitamins and minerals in our daily diet. Lack of vitamin A in our diet causes poor vision and night blindness. A diet rich in vitamin A comes from animal sources such as liver, fish liver oil, and from green leafy vegetables, carrots, pumpkins, mangoes, papayas, and butter. Lack of vitamin B1 causes beriberi, which causes weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin B1 is found in whole cereals, eggs, meat, and milk. And these food items should be included in our diet. Bleeding gums signifies lack of vitamin C in our diet, and the deficiency disease resulting from it is called scurvy. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, amla, guava are excellent food sources of vitamin C and therefore should be eaten regularly to prevent scurvy. A disease called rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D in our diet. It leads to bending of bones in legs and the front of the rib cage. These deformities are called bow legs, knock knees, and pigeon chest. Sunlight helps the body to produce vitamin D. Fish liver oil, milk, and butter are good sources of vitamin D. Lack of vitamin K in the diet affects clotting of blood. Green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, egg yolks are rich sources of vitamin K. Children, there are some minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iodine, iron, which are very important for us to stay healthy. Let me tell you about some mineral deficiency diseases. Calcium and phosphorus help in building strong bones and teeth. Calcium also regulates heartbeat and clotting of blood. We get our calcium from milk, milk products, green vegetables, peas, and beans. Lack of calcium and phosphorus make our bones and muscles weak. Lack of iodine causes goiter. In this, the thyroid gland in the neck becomes enlarged and the neck becomes swollen. The best way to have iodine in our diet is by adding iodized salt in our food or by also eating seafood. Another mineral which is very important for our body is iron. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin of the blood. The lack of it in the body causes a deficiency disease called anemia. It causes immense weakness. Foods such as meat, eggs, spinach, which are rich in iron, help in fighting against anemia. So, children, I hope you will simply eat a balanced diet and live a balanced and healthy life. Thank you and have a healthy day.